Today's video we are unboxing the September Discovered Beauty box. Hi there guys, and welcome back to my channel, or just welcome if you are new here. Today's video, like I've just said, I have the September Discovered Beauty box and I need to get in here to see what's going on. So it's a bit bigger this month, as you can see. Oh, well, straight away we can see the first product. Ooh, we'll look at that in a moment. If you are interested in purchasing this box, it is £30 per month for new subscribers. I have a link. I'll pop the link down below in the information box and the comment box. Give that a click if you want to subscribe to this box, and it'll get you £3 off your first box, which is a nice little saving indeed. So here is the box, and it is quite heavy, guys. It is really heavy actually. Yeah, let's have a little nosy inside. This is what it looks like. It's always so neat and tidy. This is one of my favorite boxes I get every month. So yeah, there's just a little thank you card there, just thanking me for our purchase. We have the edit card. In the edit card, it just has information on all the products that is in the box. And let's have a sneaky little peek. I'm just going to move everything up top so we can see, because that's not a very good sneak peek at the moment. There we go, guys. There is a sneak peek. I'm trying not to have a proper look because I want to have a look as I unbox it, but wow. Let's get to unboxing this right now. So just quickly going back to the edit card, inside just here it says that this edit is called Hydration Elation. Ooh, let's get hydrated, DBB fam. This month we're going all out, staying hydrated both inside and out. Make a splash with these glorious products. And then on the back there it just says the September box value is £187. Wow. So if you have not already, if you want to hit that subscribe button, come on over and join my YouTube family. I really would love to have you. Hit that notification bell as well. It'll just let you know whenever I upload any videos. And if you like this video, which I kind of hope that you do, please remember to smash that thumbs up button. It helps my channel out so much. The first product we have in the box is this. So this is by the brand, see, it reads antipodes, but I think it's pronounced antipodes. And it's Hosanna H2O Intensive Skin Plumping Serum. Oh my god, that sounds amazing. And that's just the title of the product. It has an RRP of £35, and it just says plump and quench your skin's thirst with this lightweight and fast absorbing hydration serum. Made with a revolutionary antioxidant Vinanza, I hope I'm saying that right, grape from New Zealand, which helps prevent against environmental stressors and pollutants, and extract of Mamuka black fern, which aids in making skin look renewed. It's organic and it is vegan. I have never heard of this brand before, I don't think. I mean, I could be lying, but I honestly can't remember if I have or not. But yeah, this is what it looks like. Very nice bottle there. I don't want to break the seal on it. I want to keep that nice and sealed for when I do come to use it. It sounds amazing. I do love skin plumping serums. Great for fine lines, which I have lots of. So yeah, can't wait to try that out properly. Second product in the box we have is this. So this is by the brand So Ego, and as you can see, it is a water bottle. Let's have a look. It has an RRP of £20, and it just says stay hydrated from the inside with this handy water bottle from So Ego. It can keep your hot drinks hot for up to 12 hours and your cold drinks cold for up to 24 hours. Perfect for whatever weather. Oh, okay, that actually sounds really good. Reusable water bottle, 500 mils that you can get in here. We plant a tree for every product sold. Ooh, right. So on the bottle, it looks like a minty colour. What colour did we get? Is it mint? I think it is. And there it is there. That feels lovely. That feels really nice. Ooh, I'll have to see how I get on with that. I have a water bottle shaped a bit like this with the metal, but when I drink it, it's like I can, I don't know, my teeth, the metal, I don't know, but yeah, I'm definitely going to try that out to see. This feels so much better quality than my crappy one I've got downstairs. So yeah, that's really pretty. I really like that. Third product in the box is actually 2 products, not 1 product. It is this. So this is by the brand Plantopia, and it's Rest and Sleep Bundle. So we have a Lights Out Face and Space Mist, which is £18, and we have a Rest Assured body lotion, which is £20. I've actually used one of these before. I was gifted it a while back. I have a little short video on it. I will link that up there if you want to go and check that out for yourself. So this is a different flavour. A different scent, I should say, of the one I tried, but I quite enjoyed the other one. It was a bit of alright, and yeah, really nice to get some matching body lotion with it. I want to open it so bad, but I'm not going to. I'm really not. What I'll do is I'll spray something, but I'm not gonna open that up because I don't want germs getting in it. But oh wow, that smells so good, so good. So let's just have a look on here. Feel and be hydrated even when you sleep. The Veggie Awards 2022 highly commended Lights Out Face and Space Mist. It is a dual purpose product, great for adding a spritz to the face to combat moisture loss or spraying into the atmosphere to aid with drifting off to sleep. Okay, yeah, it's described exactly like the other one. And what I liked about the other one I tried, as I say, it was just a different scent. You could spray it under and on top of makeup, or at least I found I could in any way, and it was really refreshing. And then yeah, support your skin's nighttime repair and renewal process with this dreamy rehydrating body lotion. It is to replenish water that is lost during sleep, which is boosted by the use of ashwagandha, which is an adaptogen. It's cruelty free and vegan. Yeah, as I say, very nice brand indeed. I am super excited to get another one of these. I can't wait to use this. I enjoyed the other one so much, and yeah, intrigued to see if the body lotion is any good. So yeah, nice. Fourth product, again, is not 1 product, it is 2 products, and it is this. So this is by the brand Eclat Skin London, and it's collagen and hyaluronic acid shampoo and conditioner set. The shampoo, holy crap, the shampoo has an RRP of £49 and the conditioner has an RRP of £45. Holy moly. Supercharged dry and damaged hair with hyaluronic acid and collagen, which is both known for having moisture boosting properties. The shampoo has a silky gel formula with added aloe vera and chamomile extract, and the matching conditioner has a rich creamy texture with added argan oil, shea butter, apricot oil, and what's that, baobab extract. Suitable for all hair types. I never even knew that Eclat Skincare did anything for hair. I really did not know it did shampoos and conditioners. I'm super excited to have these in my collection. I will do a video on me testing these out to see if they're any good and to see if they are worth £94. So that is a lot of money, and fingers crossed it does fabulous things for her. Right guys, so this is the September Discovered Beauty Box Hydration Elation Edit. What do you think? Personally, wow. Wow. That is a box and a half. Oh my god, how much is it again? I can't remember. £187 worth of box. That is pretty amazing. It is so cool. So we have a very nice pretty water bottle that keeps things hot for 12 hours or cool for 12 hours. Amazing. We have a plumping serum, which sounds gorgeous. I've never heard of that brand before, I don't think. The Plantopia Face and Space Mist and body lotion matching set. That's classed as one product. That's 2 products, guys. And then we have the matching shampoo and conditioner, also classed as one product, which is 2 products. And it's by an awesome brand, Eclectic Skincare. So cool. So on paper, this is classed as 4 products, but as you can see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 products. Cool. I will do a video on the shampoo and conditioner, most definitely. I am in love with this box, absolutely love it. Definitely happy to get a bit of a hydration edit because these products look so good. Comment down below what you think. If you want to subscribe to this box, you've missed out on this one, unfortunately. So if you sign up now, you'll get next month's box. I don't get a PR box, unfortunately. I don't work with Discovered Beauty. I purchased this box myself and so on. But yeah, I've never been disappointed by a box by Discovered Beauty, so yeah, risk it for a biscuit. I don't think you'll be disappointed. I know I've never been, but yeah, that concludes this video. So if you have not already, hit that subscribe button, smash that thumbs up button. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.